How to log in to Citizen Bank online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Citizen Bank account online. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and simply search for Citizens Bank Online. After you do that, you can head over to their website first. You can go to citizenbank.com, or you can just see this mobile and online banking. You can tap on that. So if you're on mobile, you can simply download the app and then log in. Or if you just want to do it on your web browser or your on your laptop or any other place, you can simply tap on login after you're here. The same goes for this one. If you're on the home page, tap on the login button on the top right. Then select your personal or whatever business you have. Then tap on login. The same again. If you're going through the other way, you can just use your user ID, then finally your password, and then tap on login, and then you'll be logged in into your account. And that's basically it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.